In this video, let's focus on foot pedal, how it actually works. First, switch on your power button. Then switch on your machine motor. Now, when you press the pedal, this foot will rotate. See, this foot will remain constant, but this needle will rotate. How it happens? Let's look at it. See, this is a foot pedal. You press, and you press. So always press slowly, and then increase your speed according to your need. This is the motor, and this is how it is connected with the foot pedal. So you need to press it, and the sound will come in. Now needle will move. When you do it slowly, it will be slow. Thank you for watching the video.